Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2011 Suzuki GSXR 750. This bike is in great condition. It does hold a salvage title due to theft recovery. It had some damage on both left and right lowers. It has been repaired. Doesn't look like the lower fairings were the OEM or they have been repainted. This bike has 19,835 miles on the odometer. This bike has a 750cc inline 4-cylinder fuel injected engine, 6-speed transmission. The bike is all stock and runs great. The 750 is a great balance between the 600cc and the 1,000-liter bike. Handle great, nice power, very lightweight. This 2011 GSXR 750 is offered at $64.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach us at 408-730-0600.